Hello and welcome. Today I am going to replace either the power board or the main controller. Um, the main board pretty much that controls the HDMI and all the stuff that's connected here, which is the same orientation as this one right here. So I don't know which one is burnt, but whoever has an LG and has those three blinking lights, which is located right here, the standby light, that means you have a burnt capacitor. Which one? I don't know. Could be inside here, or it could be from here. The one thing to note is to find out is if your TV doesn't turn on, this might be the problem. But if you are generating too much current in the HDMIs, and one of those, which is my mistake, I used a HDMI that has power included. So being that this TV has a two-prong, doesn't have a ground, it doesn't have a three-prong power cord, which kind of sucks. So that's why these things burnt out. So after a while, normally you should turn off the TV and take it off from the plug. Just to, that was my mistake. But anyways, other than that, I don't know which one is bad, which is this one or this one. I'm not sure, but I'm banking on this one. So later on, I'm going to show you if I'm going to find out if there's any burnt stuff. So this is the model for a 65UH6030. Now you have a 55UH30, 6030, or any other UH6030s. Those are these components. So same thing, same principle goes to what do you call this? To Samsung TVs. They pretty much are in the same orientation. They're separate, so either one of those could be bad. Like I said, one way to find out if the caps are bulged or if one of the diodes over here has that blackish like a burnt mark, then chances are it's messed up. Or another thing is you could just open up and then flip the board over. If this is burnt in certain ways, in certain patches, then yeah, no brainer, replace that. So we'll find out after this. So as you can see, the orientation is very simple. Not like back then, the boards would be huge. It would be like covering the whole place. Now it's so convenient, like you could just replace that, the main board, same orientation. This is my first time doing this, so wish me luck. I don't destroy my television. So anyways, so I bought the whole set. Actually 3 sets. I got the Wi-Fi card. I got the T-Con, the processor, and main board and the power supply. So all in all for 114. That's with tax and everything. So I got it from Shop Jimmy. So if you buy it with this one, it's only $100. But it's better to have that too, because I wouldn't know if this one is crapped out. So since we have it open now, let's check it out. If there's anything burnt here, no, I don't see anything wrong. I have to flip it over so just to double check what's really going on. But to my suspicion, it could be this one. It could be the main board that's really crapped out. So I'm just gonna have to flip it over and see what happens. Yep, so let's do that. So update. This is the new one. Well, it's used. And this is the old one that's connected to my TV. So as you can see, there's something greasy. I don't know how. Wait, this is how it's supposed to end up. So this one's flushed against the panel like so. But as you can see, there's some grease or oil or whatever. It seems like it's flux or something. And it's seeping out through the other side. I don't know if you can see that. You see how there's an imprint there? It's like it went through the perforated holes. Or it could be this that's causing it. Because it was sitting on this one. On this side. So it was heating up or something. That could have caused it. I don't know why. I don't know what kind of... But it seems to be this material. And I can't be too sure if it is. But, you know, but it's very strange. It's like, what is this? It's some sort of like a clay. It's very strange. I don't know. But honestly, I guess it's supposed to like cool off the PCB or something, but it's causing to kind of like, you see there's a bit of a residue. I don't know if the camera can you see that? See? So I believe that when over time this material will kind of like melt a bit of it and would end up in the back of the PCB. So that's why you see that whole, it all came from there. The TV was good. It was just over time, it most likely shortened it up. But why in the world would you put that against it? I guess it's just so hot or something? I don't know. I don't know what to do with this. And I'm like debating of either taking it out or just leaving it in there, but it would be the same result if I do leave it there. So I don't know. I don't know what to do. Oh well. Gotta make some decisions here. But this definitely just tells me that this is what's crapped out, not the power board. But it's nice to have the other one over there. I'm sorry about the mess. Anyway, so my board is pretty good. I don't see if this is how you know if your power supply is messed up. See these capacitors, these caps, if they're bubbled up or there's any charred residue all around, or that's how you know it's messed up. But seems to me it's just working fine because it's the standby light was working, so that means there is power going through. It's just not the signals just going through to the main board because of that. So I don't know. I'm gonna try to find out if there's any solution, or I can just prop something up there that's definitely not gonna, you know, melt partially of it. So we'll find out. We'll see. It's just so weird. It's so squishy too. And there's no smell. I don't know what it is. It's like a piece of eraser, rubber eraser or something. I don't know. It's like clay-like. No idea. So I'll find out.